Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change menu in Weebly. First, log into your account and go to your site editor. Here, you can easily see your navigation menu. The first option to change that is to go to theme on the upper ribbon. Then, go and change your theme. Here as you can see, on different templates, they have different navigation menus, so you can just select one that you want. Going back, you can also go and change the color of your site, which automatically changes also your navigation menu. Now you can also go change your font, like the navigation menu, and change it to one that you want. Now, you can also arrange them. To do that, go to Pages on the upper ribbon. Then in here, as you can see, the way that the pages are arranged corresponds to your navigation menu. So you can go and drag it, then it will automatically change the order of your menu. You can also make a drop-down one if you'd like to. To do that, just drag in one page to another, and as you can see, if you click on the main page, that will show your sub-page 1. You can do that also to the other pages. Now, if you don't want one page to show on your navigation, you can click on it. Then, under the name, you can choose to hide it in navigation. Then it will automatically be gone from your menu. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.